Hey guys, welcome back. I have a quick meal for you guys today. We're going to do chicken fried rice. In this pan, I have 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, you can use grapeseed oil or vegetable oil. And I have my chicken, leftover chicken that I had roasted yesterday. But I have leftover chicken that I broke off the bone and just broke it to pieces. And I have a half of an onion. I'm going to make some chicken fried rice from the leftovers, honey. And it's going to be delicious. Yes. Okay. I have some leftover rice from dinner yesterday. It works perfect if you have leftover rice. Don't try it with rice that you just cooked the same day. I don't know. It's not going to turn out right. Okay, I have my premium fish oil. I'm going to add like a teaspoon of that. This is the sesame oil that I use. But like I said, if you don't have the sesame oil, you can use grapeseed oil or vegetable oil. And I'm also going to add a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of the hoisin sauce. And also some garlic. But give me 1 minute. I'm going to saute the chicken and the onions for about 5 minutes, and I'll be back because I'm going to add the rice, and then I'm going to add all of the sauces and add some seasoning. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we have sauteed the chicken and the onions, and I've added the rice to the pan. And I forgot to say about the eggs. I've added 2 eggs to the pan also. And I'm going to scramble those eggs real quick, and I'm going to mix it with the rice. I also added 2 tablespoons of complete seasoning and a tablespoon of crushed red pepper. I'm going to scramble the egg and mix it with the rice, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, it is smoking. I have the egg scrambled, and I mixed it in with the rice and the chicken and the onions, and also my garlic and 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of the oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of the premium fish sauce that I showed you guys, and also 1 tablespoon of the hoisin sauce. And then I used the complete seasoning and the crushed pepper. And I had the 2 eggs that I scrambled on the side, and I mixed it in with the chicken and the rice. And hey, it's complete. I'm going to cook it for about 3 more minutes, and then I'm going to plate it up and taste it for you guys. I love you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you get a notification every time I upload a video. Blessings, guys. Okay, guys, we are done, and it is plated up. Doesn't it look delicious? And I also added some more red pepper. I like it to be spicy. And I also added some more hoisin. I can't pronounce the name, but I added that. I'm going to taste it for you guys. It's so hot, it's steaming. You see it? Oh, and it smells so delicious, you guys. Try out my chicken fried rice. Let me stop talking so much and take a bite. Oh my goodness. And the red pepper gives it that a little kick. I love it. Try out Juicy's Easy chicken fried rice. Excuse me, guys. I can't stop chewing. Try out Juicy's Easy chicken fried rice. I promise you guys are gonna love it. Why is it not focusing? Oh my goodness. It's delicious, guys. Blessings always. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you get a notification every time we upload one of these videos. I'm gonna dig in. Talk to you guys later.